Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 16th of April 2021. First question. Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has launched which mission for nutritionally balanced diet? Answer is A. Ahar Kranti. Theme for the same is Uttam Ahar Uttam Vichar or Good Diet Good Cognition. Next, Niti Aayog, in partnership with Bill and Melinda Gates, has launched a national digital repository on health and nutrition under the name, answer is C, Poshan Gyan. Harshvardhan launched the scheme related to the nutrition is Ahar Kranti, and Niti Aayog has launched a Poshan Gyan. Niti Aayog is a national institute for transforming India founded in 2015. President is Narendra Modi, Vice President is Rajiv Kumar, and CEO is Amitabh Kant. Next, Indian Army has celebrated which edition of a Siachen Day? Answer is A, 37th edition. We'll see why Siachen is important to India. We have performed one operation called Operation Meghdoot on April 13th, 1984. India hosted tricolor at world's highest battlefield. This Siachen glacier is considered as one of the most challenging battlefield. Siachen is important because it separates Pakistan from China. Next, which Indian cricketer has appointed as a brand ambassador of Elesta, a trading company? Answer is A, Suresh Raina. Next, online grievances management portal for the scheduled caste is launched by whom? Answer is a D, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Union Minister for the Communication, IT and Law and Justice Ravi Shankar Prasad launched a online grievance management portal of National Commission for Scheduled Caste. An NCSC grievance management portal would make it easier for the scheduled caste population of our country to register their complaints from any part of the country. The portal shall enable them to file their applications and other atrocity and services related grievances online and to get them addressed in the time bound manner. Next, to honor whom Indian American Congressman Ro Khanna has introduced a resolution. Answer is a D, B.R. Ambedkar. Next news, a healthy normal monsoon forecast is given by SkyMet. SkyMet is a private weather forecast company and its weather report states that this year monsoon is likely to be 103% of the long period average. Next, what is the name of the mental health digital platform launched recently? Answer is A, Manas. Manas stands for Mental Health and Normalcy Augmentation System. The principal scientific advisor to the Government of India virtually launched a Manas app to promote well-being across age groups. Who is the principal scientific advisor to the Government of India? He is K. Vijay Raghavan. Manas is a comprehensive, scalable and national digital well-being platform and an app developed to augment mental well-being of the Indian citizen. It was jointly executed by Nimhans Bangalore, AFMC Pune and CDAC Bangalore. The app must be integrated with the public health schemes like a National Health Mission, Poshan Abhiyan, E-Sanjeevani and others so that it is used widely, catering to overall well-being of the people of all age groups. The initial version of the Manas focuses on promoting positive mental health in the age group of 15 to 35 years. Next, Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar signs MOU with which company for farmers' income? Answer is a D, Microsoft. Union Agriculture Ministry has signed an MOU with Microsoft for a pilot project in 100 villages of 6 states. This project will carry out various tasks for betterment of the farmers in the selected villages, which will enhance their income. This will also reduce the input cost of the farmers and make the farming easy. These states are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Andhra Pradesh. Microsoft will develop a farmer interface for smart and well organized agricultural, including post harvest management and distribution. Next. Which cricketer replaced Virat Kohli as the world's number one batsman in ICC's men's ODI rank? Answer is A. Babar Azam. He is a captain of the Pakistan team. ICC's long form is the International Cricket Council, founded in 1909. Headquarters is in UAE. Who chairs ICMR's One Health Symposium? Answer is a D. Harshvardhan. Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Minister for the Health and Family Welfare, chaired ICMR's National Symposium titled One Health in India: Research Informing Biosafety, Preparedness and Response through video conferencing. ICMR is Indian Council of Medical Research, headquartered in headquarters is in New Delhi, and Director General is Balaram Bhargav. Next, Uzbekistan and which country have launched the construction of an international center for trade and economic cooperation called as a Central Asia? Answer is A. Kazakhstan. Uzbekistan's capital is a Tashkent. Kazakhstan's capital is a Nur Sultan. India does Kazind with Kazakhstan. Kazind is a exercise between India and Kazakhstan. According to the study by IIT Bombay, which bank has collected 300 crore from zero balance account in 5 years? Answer is a C. State Bank of India. Means there is a minimum balance requirement for the account. When we are not maintaining that account, bank is taking some amount, that is fine. Like this, State Bank of India has collected 300 crore rupees in 5 years. SBI chairman is a Dinesh Kumar Khara. And we'll see some news related to IIT Bombay. Recently we saw one news that is of a nano sniffer, that is explosive trace detector. It can detect explosive within 10 seconds. One more chip developed by IIT Bombay is a Dhruva. Next, National Institute of the Urban Affairs has launched a infant, toddler and caregiver training program. Infant is a just born baby. Toddler is the baby who just started walking. This training program was started by National Institute of the Urban Affairs. Minister of the Housing and Urban Affairs is Hardeep Singh Puri. Next, IMF and G20 nationals have given their nod to issue fresh special drawing rights of worth how much amount? Answer is A. $650 billion. We'll see what is special drawing rights. Here IMF is not giving directly money to the any country. Let's consider India. IMF is not giving directly money to India, but it is giving some rights. For example, let's consider India is having 5% special drawing rights, and this right is given according to the financial status of that country. If India is having deficiency of money and it requires money, that time what India can do, it can sell some percentage of this special drawing right to the third country. Let's consider India is selling 0.2% of its special right to third country, then India can sell that percentage and India can take that money from the third country. This is called as a special drawing rights. IMF is an international monetary fund headquartered in Washington DC. President is Kristalina Georgieva and chief economist is Geeta Gopinath. G20 2021 summit was presidented by Italy. In 2022 G20 will be hosted by Indonesia, and in 2023 G20 summit will be hosted by India. Next question. Guillermo Lasso has been elected as a president of which country? Answer is a D. Ecuador. Capital of Ecuador is a Quito. Currency is a United States dollar. Next. World Art Day is celebrated on which date? Answer is a 15th of April. This day is celebrated to promote the development, diffusion and enjoyment of the art. This is also birthday of Leonardo da Vinci, who is a great artist. Will will shortly revise important days from 1st of April to 15th of April. 1st of April is a Odisha Foundation Day. 1st of April is a Prevention of the Blindness Week. 2nd of April is a World Autism Awareness Day. 4th of April is a International Day for the Mine Awareness. 5th of April is a National Maritime Day. 7th of April is a World Health Day. 10th of April is a World Homeopathy Day. 11th of April is a National Safe Motherhood Day. 11th of April is a National Pet Day. 13th of April is a Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day. 14th of April is a Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Remembrance Day. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.